Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I want to show to you on how we can use Padlet for educational purpose. Actually, Padlet is one of the example of Web 2.0. Okay, firstly search Padlet here at Google and then click. Once it appear, you can sign up it for free, and if you already using Padlet before this, just click login. Okay, sign up with your Google account, email here, and password. Once you have logged in, this is your Padlet will looks like. Okay, if you are going to create a classroom, just click on the Make a Padlet and select wall. And we just need modify a little and just adjust something what you want your classroom will looks like and click next. If you are going to join a Padlet, just click join a Padlet and key in the email that have been provided by your lecturer or teacher. Okay, and this is your classroom will looks like after we have adjust the title and put some notes in the Padlet wall. And if you want this Padlet remain, just click love and it will remain in your dashboard. If you are going to log out, just click your email picture and click log out. So that's all for today. It was the easiest way to make your classroom so interactive and perfect.